If your garbage disposal is not working properly, two things you can check before calling for warranty. One, there's a little red button underneath this garbage disposal. It's a reset button. Try pushing the reset button first. If it seems like something's stuck in the garbage disposal and it does not free up, there's a wrench underneath your sink. You can get underneath, and in the center of this garbage disposal, that wrench can insert, and now you can spin it. And if this was locked up, we might have to put some force on there, and we can free up whatever debris is in there.